Time for another vintage recipe. This one is from the 1910s. That's over 100 years ago. We're gonna make a green pea and cheese puff casserole. This ought to be interesting. Grab a bowl, kids. 2 eggs. And beat them. Cup of milk. A little black pepper and a little cayenne. Whisk that together. Gently stir in a can of sweet peas. Drained. Oh, so gentle. We don't want to damage those peas. And 3/4 cup of cheddar cheese. Keep mixing gently. Pour it into a greased baking dish. Sprinkle a 1/4 cup of cheese on top, as well as some buttered breadcrumbs. And then you're gonna bake this at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes. The center should puff up. It actually took a whole hour, and we got the tiniest bit of puff. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Sweet pea and cheese puff casserole from the 1910s. Okay. To me, it kind of just tastes like a sweet pea omelet. So if you're a fan of sweet peas, this one might be for you. I don't really think it was worth the wait for an hour for this. I think I'll give it a 6.7 out of 10. Well, it did have cheese in it, and I do like that. What is a horse's favorite wine? Chardonnay.